Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at something really cool. These are electronic suction cups, but they're not just simple suction cups. These are, you know, the suction cups. And here we have a user's manual that tells you what they can or cannot do, and tells you how much you can lift and all the good stuff. Look at that. This is capacity that shows you on the screen there. Goes up to 300 kilograms. And that is what, 400 or 500 pounds or some crazy like that. Now this is your chargers for the batteries, just regular barrel plug chargers. And the batteries, yes, they come with 4 batteries, just like you see here, and it's on this molded case. I like this. And then that's it. Well, let's do something. And what we're gonna do, I don't know, but we're gonna do something and lift something. Is I have one of those old monitors for a reason here, and some really those heavy lead acid batteries. But first, let's pull these out of here. These things are cool, let me tell you that. Okay, come on. Gonna come out of here or not? What are we doing? These are some heavy-duty plastic, though. It doesn't feel cheap at all. In hand, does not feel cheap. And this is the rubber underneath. 2-ply rubber with a blocker and release. And this is a release tab that you can just poke some air, and the air goes through this kind of filtery thingy there. And this is your function button. Now, let me pull this plastic. Actually, you could leave this plastic on, but I'm not the person that covers anything in plastic. And look at that, clicky. Nice button. The screen will appear here. We put one of these batteries here, and boom. Right now it has reached 300 kilograms of suction, and it shows you the battery. And right now, actually, I might break this table because it's glass. Wait, whoa. No, I'm not gonna lift the table because it will actually break the table. It's, these glass tables. Pull this tab here, and it goes back to 0, as you see right here. Let me turn it off. Boom, just like that. And it's the same exact story with the other one, just like that. As you see, we're gonna turn it off. Boom. Take this plastic out on this one too. I don't know, I just like taking this plastic off. And well, let's bring up some stuff and see what we can do. I hope I don't break this table, because that's not gonna be nice at all. But this is one of those heavy monitors, the old ones, and I didn't really even wash the screen. But we put this thingy, I'm gonna put it actually this way, right there, right? And just click this, and it starts doing its job. Look at the kilos there, up to 300. Now it's pressurized good. Look what can happen. Boom. There's no chance this is going anywhere. Look, I'm even pushing it. And, well, let's make it a little bit harder. This is a battery. It's one of those lead acid batteries, and they're actually quite heavy. Now, the only thing that could break here is the screen itself. Let's see if this lets it go. Boom. Not a single problem, and it's actually quite heavy. Look at this thing. Okay, you see it yourself. I don't need to, give you anything. Look at that. I'm literally shaking it, and nope, doesn't go anywhere whatsoever at all. Now, I would love to lift anything heavier than this, but I don't have anything inside right here, right now. I would like to try it with a car battery. I know, it's one of those things that just, the brain can stop bugging you about it. Well, I guess I'll go outside tomorrow, daytime, and try to lift a car battery. If it has enough surface to put the suction handle on it, then yeah, look at that. And yes, earlier I literally lifted a whole pack of ceramic tiles that had flat surface. Well, I went at the store, I didn't have any handy, so just to see if it actually pulls the whole thing. Yep, not a single problem. As long as your arm can do it, this thing can lift 300. Well, let's see what happens if it's on suction mode, doing this. What if I remove the battery to simulate a dead battery mid-work? Okay, nope, doesn't let go. So the suction remains on even if you take the battery off. After, of course, you have initiated it. Look at this thing. Doesn't really care at all. Let me put the batteries back on just to see what happens. Without the battery, we're still no problem at all. This thing is something else. Okay, well, I mean, except for going outside and actually lifting a car battery with it. There's not much else I can do in here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, what other proof do you want on these things? They're actually really cool. And yeah, so I have to go get a car battery and how you charge them really quick before we get lost in the hay here. Let me plug this on and just plug the battery like this. You'll have a light on the charger itself that is red, and it turns green when the battery is full. There's no indicator on the battery itself. These are, I think, 21 volt if I'm not wrong, but I could be wrong on that. It doesn't say. Great. But yeah, that's what I am about to do. And these are made in January 1st, 2026. Okay, so that's definitely brand new. Okay, we're gonna try it on this marble table. Now, I don't know if it's gonna work because it has those pieces of marble and some of them might be just falling off, but I'm gonna try to put it here that's more flat surface. And the kitty wants to meow right here. And looks like we're good. Okay, 300. Oh! Now the table is the problem because it's too heavy. Okay, I think that proves my point. Let's see if I can turn it off. Okay, now that's what I call work. Whew. Besides that, what else can I tell you? It simply works, well, better than I expected actually.